Nikki?
Huh? I don't want to talk.
Fine. She's in a bad mood because she fell in over there.
Yeah, I fell in.
But I didn't fall in. She fell in.
Shut up.
I wanted to go in. What?
I got a picture right before right after.
Haha. It's okay. It's really pretty and really hot.
Really
My
cold.
feet really hurt.
Red.
My feet are always red though.
No, that. I know that is.
Where's that lady? Okay.
I'm gonna take pictures.
You're fine.
You want some picture?
I know. Nikki, what do you want to do?
Take a shower.
Do you want to go?
No. I'm hungry. I'm hungry too.
Let's go down there.
Come back later. Take a nap.
What? Now?
Woo!
I'd rather just come back tomorrow. But I think we're gonna go now. Say bye.